Financial independence. How to achieve financial independence, retire early. The financial independence, retire early, movement has gained significant traction in recent years, offering a roadmap for those who dream of escaping the traditional 9-to-5 grind and achieving financial freedom. The core idea behind FIRE is simple. Save and invest aggressively to build a nest egg that can sustain your living expenses indefinitely, allowing you to retire decades earlier than the conventional retirement age. While the path to FIRE requires discipline, sacrifice, and careful planning, it's an attainable goal for those willing to commit to the journey. In this video, we'll explore the principles of FIRE, the steps to achieve it, and practical tips to help you get started. What is FIRE? FIRE is a lifestyle movement centered around achieving financial independence and retiring early. The concept is rooted in the idea that by saving a large percentage of your income, typically 50% or more, and investing wisely, you can accumulate enough wealth to live off your investments without needing to work. The ultimate goal is to gain control over your time and life, allowing you to pursue your passions, travel, or simply enjoy a slower pace of life. There are several variations of FIRE, including Lean FIRE, living frugally in retirement, often on a minimal budget. Fat FIRE, maintaining a more luxurious lifestyle in retirement with a larger nest egg. Barista FIRE, achieving partial financial independence and supplementing investment income with part-time or flexible work. Regardless of the variation, the core principles of FIRE remain the same. Save aggressively, invest wisely, and live below your means. The math behind FIRE. At the heart of FIRE is the concept of the 4% rule, a guideline popularized by financial planner William Bengen. The rule suggests that if you withdraw 4% of your investment portfolio annually, adjusted for inflation, your savings should last for at least 30 years. To achieve FIRE, you'll need to calculate your target savings amount based on your annual expenses. For example, if your annual living expenses are $40,000, you'll need a portfolio of $1 million to sustain that lifestyle. 40,000 divided by 0.04 equals 1 million. This calculation assumes a balanced portfolio of stocks and bonds, a moderate rate of return, and a 30-year retirement horizon. Steps to achieve FIRE. Achieving FIRE requires a combination of strategic planning, disciplined saving, and smart investing. Here are the key steps to get started. 1. Define your FIRE goals. Before embarking on your FIRE journey, it's important to define what financial independence and early retirement mean to you. Ask yourself, what does my ideal retirement look like? How much will I need to cover my annual expenses? What age do I want to retire? Having a clear vision of your goals will help you stay motivated and focused. 2. Calculate your FIRE number. Your FIRE number is the amount of money you need to save to achieve financial independence. To calculate it, determine your annual living expenses in retirement. Multiply that number by 25, based on the 4% rule. For example, if your annual expenses are $50,000, your FIRE number is $1,250,000, $50,000 x 25. 3. Track your spending and create a budget. To save aggressively, you'll need to understand where your money is going. Track your spending for a few months to identify areas where you can cut back. Then, create a budget that prioritizes saving and investing. Aim to save at least 50% of your income, if possible. 4. Increase your income. While cutting expenses is important, increasing your income can accelerate your path to FIRE. Consider asking for a raise or promotion at work. Starting a side hustle or freelance business. Investing in skills that increase your earning potential. 5. Invest wisely. Investing is the key to growing your wealth and achieving FIRE. Focus on low-cost, diversified investments like index funds or ETFs. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and HSAs to maximize your returns. 6. Minimize debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to achieving FIRE. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt, such as credit cards, as quickly as possible. Avoid taking on new debt unless it's for an appreciating asset, like a home. 7. Live below your means. Living below your means is a cornerstone of the FIRE movement. Focus on needs rather than wants, and avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Embrace frugality and find joy in simple, low-cost activities. 8. Monitor your progress. Regularly review your savings and investment progress to ensure you're on track to meet your FIRE goals. Adjust your plan as needed to account for changes in income, expenses, or market conditions. Practical tips for achieving FIRE. Start early. The earlier you begin saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts to ensure consistency. Cut major expenses. Consider downsizing your home, driving a used car, or relocating to a lower-cost area to reduce expenses. Focus on health. Maintaining good health can reduce medical expenses and improve your quality of life in retirement. Build multiple income streams. Diversify your income sources to increase financial security and accelerate your path to FIRE. Stay flexible. Life is unpredictable, so be prepared to adjust your plans as needed. Challenges of the FIRE movement. While the FIRE movement offers many benefits, it's not without its challenges. Sacrifices. Achieving FIRE often requires significant lifestyle changes and sacrifices, such as delayed gratification and reduced spending. Market risk. Your investment portfolio is subject to market fluctuations, which can impact your retirement timeline. Healthcare costs. Early retirees may face high healthcare costs if they're not yet eligible for Medicare. Longevity risk. Retiring early means your savings need to last longer, increasing the risk of running out of money. Additional strategies for advanced FIRE planning. While the steps outlined above provide a solid foundation for achieving FIRE, there are additional strategies that can help you optimize your plan and reach your goals faster. These strategies often require more advanced knowledge and, in some cases, professional guidance, but they can yield significant benefits for those who are committed to the FIRE lifestyle. 1. Arbitrage. Arbitrage involves relocating to an area with a lower cost of living to stretch your savings further. For example, moving from a high-cost city to a more affordable region or even another country can significantly reduce your expenses and accelerate your path to FIRE. Many FIRE enthusiasts choose to retire in countries with lower living costs, such as Portugal, Thailand, or Mexico, where their savings can go much further. 2. Real estate investing. Real estate can be a powerful tool for achieving FIRE. By investing in rental properties, you can generate passive income that covers your living expenses and accelerates your savings. Real estate also offers tax advantages, such as depreciation deductions and the ability to defer capital gains taxes through a 1031 exchange, in the U.S. However, real estate investing requires careful research and management, so it's important to educate yourself before diving in. 3. Tax optimization. Minimizing your tax liability is crucial for maximizing your savings and investments. Consider strategies like maximizing tax-advantaged accounts. Contribute the maximum allowed to accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and HSAs. Tax loss harvesting. Offset capital gains by selling losing investments. Roth conversions. Convert traditional IRA funds to a Roth IRA during low-income years to reduce future tax liabilities. 4. Side hustles and passive income. Building multiple streams of income can accelerate your path to FIRE. Consider starting a side hustle, such as freelancing, blogging, or selling products online. Passive income streams, like dividend-paying stocks, royalties, or rental income, can also provide ongoing cash flow with minimal effort. Achieving FIRE is a challenging but rewarding journey that requires discipline, planning, and a willingness to think differently about money and life. By saving aggressively, investing wisely, and living below your means, you can gain the financial freedom to retire early and live life on your own terms. Remember, FIRE is not just about quitting your job, it's about creating a life of purpose, fulfillment, and freedom. Whether you're just starting your FIRE journey or are well on your way, the key is to stay focused, stay flexible, and keep your eyes on the prize. With determination and the right strategies, you can achieve financial independence and retire early, unlocking a world of possibilities for your future. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.